Hamza. That's not alif because alif has a fatha. Alif will convert in Hamza. Say
Hamza fatha.
sound. Next one.
Next sound is ha fatha ha sound ha.
Good job. First sound. Second sound.
He.
That's not he. Second sound is ha. Second sound is
He.
no, ha fatha ha sound ha. Why are you saying he? Tell ha fatha. Tell me.
Ha fatha ha sound ha.
Next.
Next sound
Dal.
is da tu damma dud.
Sound.
Dud.
First sound.
He.
Don't say longer one by one. Tell me, please.
He.
First, please, one by one, tell me. Why are you saying quickly? First sound again, tell me. Just first sound, tell me, please. Second sound, just second sound, please.
He.
Is that he? Is that
Ha.
he? So why are you saying he? Again, tell me this sound.
Ha.
Third sound.
Dud.
First sound again, tell me.
Ah.
Second sound again.
Ah.
Third sound.
Dud.
First.
Ah.
Second.
Ha.
Then third.
Dud.
First.
Ah.
Second.
He.
Third.
Dud.
Complete, tell me.
Ah.
No,
Ah.
don't, no, don't. Ha.
Ah.
No, don't say longer. First sound, tell me just. Second sound, ha. Third sound is done. Okay?
Ah.
Nope. First sound, ah. Second sound, ha. Third sound,
Dud.
good job.